In this video, I'll show you how you can use tiles on your Podio home screen and in your workspaces to create a simple dashboard for your work. I'm on my home screen now, and you can see that to the right of the activity stream, I've got this big empty space that's ready for me to add some tiles to. First up, I'm going to add a tile here that'll give me one-click access to the projects that I'm managing right now. When I click Add Tile, then I get all the different options of the content that I can display in the tiles. In this case, I'll pick the Projects app. I can drag and resize the tile, and then I need to change the view from the app that the tile is displaying. These are views that I've set up previously, so I just pick the My Active Projects view. Now I'd only need to click here to go straight to this specific project. It's also possible to add existing reports to my home screen. So if I take this revenue report from our sales workspace, I can choose the option to add this to my home screen, and now I'll always have it here to keep an eye on. You can also personalise your tiles. So if I wanted to add a picture of Glastonbury Music Festival to look at whenever I'm on my home screen, I can add this, upload a photo, and position it however I want. It's the Podio equivalent of having photographs on your desk. Tiles in your workspaces work in the same way. So if I go to our project management workspace, I can add a tile that will show all the shared tasks in the workspace. Or a view from our deliverables app, so at a glance we'll see exactly what we're working on right now. It's as simple as that, but it can be incredibly useful day to day. If you need any advice setting up your own, we'll be glad to help. Just visit help.podio.com. Thanks for watching.